You're listening to AI Engaged, practical AI insights for business. Each episode breaks down what's new, what it means, and what to watch next. Let's get into today's insight.
Hook, last month a retailer flipped an AI pricing bot live to all customers and saw a sudden 15% drop in conversion because a rule interaction made prices look inconsistent. The fix wasn't a training run, it was a single switch. Roll the bot back and restore the previous pricing flow. That one change stopped the outage and saved reputation and revenue. Today, I'll show you how to make that one change safety repeatable across your AI automations using feature flags, canary rollouts, and simple rollback plans.
Promise. In the next 12 minutes, I'll give you a compact, no-code friendly rollout playbook you can start testing today, and 3 patterns: lead capture bots, AI-generated email copy, and voice agent routing that you can put behind flags without heavy engineering. Expect clear metrics to watch and a short checklist to decide when a flag is warranted.
Section 1. What it is. At its simplest, a feature flag is a switch you control. Turn the AI automation on for 5% of traffic, watch behavior, then increase exposure. A canary rollout is the staged exposure pattern: small, observed, then larger. Human-in-the-loop gates are checkpoints where a person reviews edge cases or escalations before an AI-made decision reaches a customer. Rollback strategies are pre-planned actions, so if the metric you care about moves the wrong way, you can flip the flag back, route traffic to a safe fallback, and investigate. Treating AI like a feature release means you build these control points around the automation rather than hoping monitoring will catch problems after they hit customers.
How that maps to no-code stacks. Your flag can be a Boolean field in a CRM, a conditional step in Make, Integromat, a segment rule in your marketing platform, or a routing rule in a contact center. The canary can be a segment by geography, account size, or user cohort. Human gates can be a Slack notification that asks for approve deny before downstream steps run. Crucially, keep the fallback simple. Send to the previous non-AI flow, show a human-handled message, or route to a live agent. Simplicity equals reliability.
Section 2. Why it matters. First, uptime and customer experience. A bad AI change can look like a degraded service to users. With flags, you contain exposure. Second, revenue and reputation. Small regressions compound quickly when customer-facing automations scale. Third, compliance and auditability. Flags let you record when an automation was active for which customers, creating a simple audit trail without heavyweight engineering. Finally, learning velocity. With controlled exposure, you can run rapid experiments, compare A versus B, and learn without risking the whole base.
Real-world use cases. Example 1. Lead capture bot. Pattern. Start with a fallback form as the default, enable the AI bot for 5% of visitors, and route unanswered or low-confidence interactions to the form or human follow-up. Measure lead completion rate, lead quality score, and escalation count. If lead completion drops or escalation spike, flip the flag to 0 and diagnose.
Example 2. Email and SMS copy. Pattern. Use flags to split your audience into control and AI copy cohorts. Canary to a low-risk segment, internally known accounts, or a low-value cohort. Measure open, click, and conversion lift, and check for brand or legal issues in AI-generated phrasing. Keep a human editorial gate for first 100 sends. If copy hurts performance or causes complaints, switch the cohort back to human copy and iterate.
Example 3. Voice agents. Pattern. Route 10% of calls to the new AI routing logic, but always include an immediate human escalation option and a short whisper message for the agent that a call used the experimental flow. Track deflection rate, escalation time, and CSAT.
Section 3. Risks and limitations. Feature flags add complexity and can become tech debt if you leave unused flags in place. Flags without monitoring create a false sense of safety. If you don't watch the right metric, you won't notice behavioural regressions. Using production data in canaries can expose PII. Use masked or synthetic data where possible. Human gates are great, but they introduce delay and human variability. My mitigations are simple. One well-documented flag per automation. Pair flags with a tiny metrics dashboard and alerts. Use mask data for early tests and document SLAs for human approvals.
What to watch next? Signals and observability to add first. Conversion left or fall. Error rate or exception counts. Escalation or fallback counts. And time to resolution. Add a reversal trigger, a clear numeric rule that flips the flag automatically or sends an urgent alert. Example, if conversion drops by more than 10% in an hour, flip the flag. Start with simple dashboards in your CRM or BI tool and add logging for the user cohort so you can trace impact back to a flag change. Recap. 3 quick takeaways. 1. Treat AI automations as feature releases. Add a flag, canary, and rollback plan before you ship. 2. Measure 3 core signals: conversion, error escalation count, and time to resolution, and use them as your reversal triggers. 3. Keep it lightweight: 1 documented flag, mask test data, and an editorial or human gate for edge cases. Quick checklist to decide if a flag is needed. Does this automation touch customer experience? Will it scale quickly? Could it affect revenue or compliance? If you answered yes to any, add a flag.
Visit AIengaged.com to explore our subscription options and more practical guidance on deploying AI in business. One practical next consideration question to ask your team before your next AI rollout: what single metric will we use to decide if a flag gets flipped back to safe? Write that metric down and make it actionable. Thanks for listening to AI Engaged. If you want AI tools you can actually use in your business, explore our subscriptions at AIengaged.com. See you in the next episode. Make AI practical.